Every 17 years, portion of the central, eastern, and southern US see a massive emergence of periodical cicadas, the largest of the many generations of cicadas broods will surface in May, creating a monstrous cacophony. Academy of a periodical cicada. Unlike greenish annual cicadas, periodical cicadas are known for their black bodies, clear wings, and blood-red eyes. They breathe out 10 pairs of spiracles, 2 of which are on the thorax, 8 are on the abdomen. The antennae are short and bristly. In what states will cicadas be emerging in 2021? Broodx is one of the largest and most broadly distributed group of periodical cicadas. They can be found from northern Georgia to New York, west to the Mississippi River, and in the Midwest there can be as many as 1.5 million cicadas per hertz, which brings the brood's population into the trillions. How long will cicadas be around? In defense of the weather and latitude in the US, broodx cicadas usually emerge in late April and early May. Ground temperatures trigger when the cicadas will come out. The cicadas rise up over to